Give it up for PraxiLabs!
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 million years ago expansion started. Wait, began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built the wall, we built the pyramids. Science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
Good evening, everyone. With all the current challenges we are having in the world, like global warming, the need for clean water, and hunger, it just seems inevitable that we need more scientists to work on solving these problems. And that's why the demand for science jobs is 3 times higher than any other job. However, unfortunately, this year only more than 2.4 million jobs went unfulfilled in the US alone. So imagine the rest of the world. And the major reason for this shortage is dropout rates of science students. It's because traditional labs as we have them today face many challenges. For the students, there is the lack of motivation and engagement, as well as restricted accessibility to the labs. On the other hand, universities suffer from the very high costs of lab construction and maintenance, let alone safety hazards and ethical challenges that they need to overcome. I'm Khadija, the founder of PraxiLabs, and I'm here to tell you how we are solving these problems. PraxiLabs was founded to provide 3D interactive, engaging simulations for science students to be accessible anytime, anywhere, at an affordable cost, with no constraints to safety or ethical challenges. And it's great to know that studies have shown that using virtual labs, students became more proficient with the lab procedures and using the tools, leading to an increase in their performance by up to 60% and their retention by 80%. Both of which resulted in reducing the dropout rates, which is our main problem. But that's not the only benefits, because the increased proficiency of the students also led to reducing the real lab time and the amount of consumables used. 2 factors affecting the amount of spending on a lab, which on average reaches $300,000 a year, out of which 60% are spent on consumables. So we are also saving money. We are currently market leaders in the Middle East and North Africa, leveraging on our competitive advantage as the only provider for simulations in both Arabic and English. And the opportunity is still huge to reach thousands of universities across the globe. As we've been here, our labs have been very well received, leading to demonstrations and ongoing discussions with so far 7 universities in Norway and in the UK. And I'm happy to announce that we've just been selected as one of the next 100 African startups, an initiative by the World Bank. Thank you. And that's all because of a team with years of experience in EdTech, marketing, and sales. And I myself have a PhD in human-computer interaction. And that's where I'm getting my passion for PraxiLabs. So come find us and talk to us if you're interested in joining us on our mission of providing the world with more scientists. Thank you.